Welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for a fast-speed internet connection with secure access, then you've landed in the perfect place. Today, we have an amazing tutorial lined up for you: how to download an OpenVPN config file and set it up on the HTTP Custom VPN app. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to stay updated with our latest VPN tips and tricks. Now, let's jump right into the tutorial. First, open your web browser and type sshocean in the search bar. From the search results, click the official sshocean website to access their homepage. Once you're on the homepage, go to the upper right corner and tap the menu icon to open the full menu list. From there, click on Services. A new window will appear. Now scroll down and select OpenVPN. You'll now be taken to the OpenVPN server list page. Choose your preferred server location from the available options. Make sure the server you select is online and available. Offline servers won't work. Once you've found a working server, click on the Create button. Now you're on the final page. Here, enter your desired username, complete the reCAPTCHA, and click on Create Now. In just a few seconds, your OpenVPN account and config file will be ready. Go ahead and download the config file to your device for future use. Next, let's move on to setting it up on the HTTP Custom app. Open the Play Store on your device and search for HTTP Custom VPN. Once you find it, tap Install, and after it finishes, tap Open. On the home screen of the HTTP Custom app, tap the top left menu icon, hamburger icon, to expand the menu. Then tap on VPN Settings. Now you'll see the VPN configuration interface. Tap the big plus button at the bottom right of the screen. A small list will pop up. Select Open OVPN from the list. Navigate to your device's download folder where your config file is saved. Select the OpenVPN config file that you downloaded earlier. It will now be imported automatically into the app. Once imported, simply click on the Connect button, and boom! You're now connected to a fast and secure internet connection using OpenVPN with the HTTP Custom VPN app. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded an OpenVPN config and connected it using the HTTP Custom app. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends to help them enjoy fast and secure browsing too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.